Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. We're doing Yoga Challenge Part 2. Last was Ellie, now it's with this dummy, my sister, because we're in quarantine. So yeah. Okay, get it down. Get it down. Stop it. Like your butt has to be on my your ass has to be touching. We did it! Okay, next position. Okay guys, we had a quick outfit change. Well, she's a sports bra and it's fine, but I put shorts on. So did I. Yeah, she likes to wear my shorts. So turn around. No, go kind of this way. And then like... Yeah. Okay. Did it. Okay. Next pose. Okay. I don't think my back is like that. You're not even moving. Oh. Whoa! See, that wasn't that hard. This? My back doesn't bend either of those ways. We can try it. Oh. We're not trying. See the wall. That's a lot of work. Now this is making my phone. Oh, this thing on TikTok. Okay. Actually, that's so much work. I'm not doing that. No, you're not doing a handstand onto my back. Okay. You have to crisscross up. Wait, I need to move a little more this way. Wait, oh, I have to go this way, my bad. Wait a minute. Yeah. No, our backs, no, your back has to be inward. Inward. Oh, I did it. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. So much sense because you're not smart. Oh, I get it now. I'm in it, but your butt has to go to... I'll be fine. Ah, no, not that! Okay.
Ready?
I don't know what I should be doing. I know.
Okay, so you hold my shoulders and my pelvis.
This is like, oh, air conditioning. My arms. Look at my shoulders. Oh, this is... That's how it was. Okay, you did it. Yay. That was so easy. I have to go like... Try it again. You're not stopping. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, you're not going like that.
Okay, go with the plank while I'm already in this position. Okay, get up.
Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna move this over there. I haven't stretched in a while. Okay, we found our next pose.
I'm also wondering the easier things here.
What?
Where are you looking again?
I gotta move back into the frame. You're ah!
We're gonna try this a different way. No, I'm the one. We're gonna try that. Because you obviously can't stay down there.
I could, I just can't flatten out my legs.
It's not that hard. Oh, I'm like so far off in the frame.
Well, at least he's your Sorry.
Wait. Yours in a jaw dog.
I'm always in the dog.
Back down my door.
No. Oh. I think my bra is showing.
Just look at your back.
Oh my god.
We can do this again.
No, we're not.
Okay, fine. That one was a fail. Fine, man. I can't find any good ones.
You literally looked up couples poses. I was laughing at that earlier. She was like, sorry.
That's what you were laughing at. I heard you. How am I gonna?
You're back to me. You're not doing a handstand onto me.
I know.
You're not doing a Hi, Mom.
I don't know how it's gonna work. Oh, I'm doing that. Go back up. I figured it out. Go back up.
Is it filming?
Yes.
Please don't hurt me.
Mom, can you hold me up for a second? Okay, Mom's gonna help for a second. Because I need to have someone get a handstand on your back.
We ordered the ice cream. Are you proud? Okay.
Proud?
Yeah. Lauren did it first, but she couldn't stop laughing, so she hung up.
That's not perfect one because they think you're fooling around.
I wasn't.
Then we
I
called
know
back.
that they don't know that.
Yeah,
And then you know what happens? Then they won't take your phone calls and they won't take your orders.
well, we used to. Oh, this was
Then-
the first time.
I was like, Lauren, give me your phone, and I called them and did it.
Okay, because that's what happens, right? Because this kids are home, fooling around.
Yeah,
And then if we can't get delivered ice cream and it's your fault, not happy.
Okay, your butt's gonna sit in the camera.
What do we do?
Okay, you're gonna need to hold me up for a second. I have to get a handstand on the